Tony's Villas and Resort. This property is 1-minute walk from the beach, featuring free Wi-Fi, an outdoor pool and a sun terrace. Tony's Villas and Resort offers accommodations in Seminyak, just 5.8 kilometers from Kuta. Guests can enjoy the on-site bar. Each room at this hotel is air-conditioned and has a flat-screen TV. Some units included a sitting area for your convenience. A terrace or balcony are featured in certain rooms. Each room comes with a private bathroom. Bike rental and car rental are available at this hotel, and the area is popular for biking. Ubud is 22.5 kilometers from Tony's Villas and Resort, and Nusa Dua is 16.1 kilometers from the property. The nearest airport is Ngurah International Airport, 6.9 kilometers from Tony's Villas and Resort.